This is me and my husband Rusty. Today is Sunday. We are going to eat breakfast together
Good,
again.
good
Because-
morning, Fally.
Good morning, Rusty. I love you.
I love you very much.
Yes.
Mm.
And this is our breakfast. For me, is a bread,
Raisin bread.
resin bread, coffee. That's a ham, and this one is corned beef and egg. My husband is pancake, and our fruits is banana and grapes.
And we both have coffee.
Yes, that's the coffee of my husband.
Yeah.
He called him Papa Bear, and mine is Mama Bear. See?
Yes,
Yes, we are going to eat breakfast
Good.
together.
Good.
I love you, Rusty.
I love you, Fally. Mm.